Plastics, including plastic mulches, are made up of polymers. These are long chains of repeating units called monomers. These polymers are melted and extruded together to form sheets of plastic that are strong and stretchy. Plastic mulches can be made up of such polymers as polyethylene or a biodegradable version such as polybutyrate. There are many different types of plastic polymers that alter their use and biodegradability. During the growing season, these mulches are exposed to ultraviolet light from the sun and become weathered, which initiates the breakdown of the chains. At the end of the growing season, biodegradable plastic mulches are shredded as they are tilled into the soil. Microbes in the soil can use these polymers as a food source, but the polymers are too big for the microbes to take up directly. The microbes send out enzymes called depolymerase. These smaller pieces, or monomers, can then be taken up by the microorganisms. In consuming the polymers, the microbes gain energy, biomass, and ultimately release carbon dioxide. The molecules of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen that were from the mulch are now part of the microorganism's own molecular structure. This is the process of biodegradation. What this means is that the biodegradable plastics we put down are ultimately converted to more microbes, which go on to become part of the soil organic matter and carbon dioxide, which is released to the atmosphere. The rate at which biodegradation occurs is primarily influenced by temperature, moisture, microbial activity, and the physical shredding or damage to the plastics caused by weathering, which helps open up more chains for microbes to work on. What's the difference between conventional and biodegradable plastics? It all comes down to the polymer chemistry. Depolymerases are enzymes that fit a certain shape of molecule. They work like a lock and key system. The polymer needs to fit the enzyme. Conventional plastics are synthetic molecules, and most bacteria don't have the right enzymes to fit those molecules. Biodegradable plastics are purposefully made out of polymers that are either derived from plants or microbes, or are synthetically made to mimic natural polymers. Because polymers are naturally found in our environment, microbes already have the enzymes to break them down.